This is the zoology, Doğa Doğa Müzesi. I don't know what are these things. They have some portraits of snakes inside. These are snakes also. Just kept inside here. Some snakes. See? All these ones are snakes. They are kept inside bottles. This one is called anaconda. There is anaconda. There is boa ilani. These are all different types of snakes inside the museum here. And this one's too. This is also a snake. And these ones. They are all snakes. Different types of snakes inside the museum here. And this is the skeleton of, I don't know which animal it is. It's too big. So that is the skeleton. And moving on to this side, they have some this is Eurasian lynx, Eurasian lynx. That is it here, the Eurasian lynx. On this side here, so there's this animal right here. And this side too. This side is a kangaroo. This is a portrait of a kangaroo inside here. This one is a gazelle. This is a gazelle. And this side is ultra here, and this is hydrochiresis. That is it, the animal. And in Turkish it's called capybara. This is capybara. And in this side we have the crocodilus niloticus. This is crocodilus niloticus. Crocodilus niloticus. And behind it there we have this thing, I don't know. It's a chameleon. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Lizards. Right there. This is also a lizard. And right up there are some animals. Alakzili. And this is the skin of another animal. This side we have also kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. And, there is an animal here. This side. And here we have the gazelle. This is the gazelle. Right here, the lutra. This is the lutra. Right here. Right here we have the Kafesli python. This is a python. See, this animal, this python is dangerous. Really, it has just grabbed this animal here and is killing it. See, this is the python hunting. That is it. And here we have another gazelle. This is a gazelle. This is the gazelle here. And here we have the Panthera tigris. I've never seen this animal. I've never seen it even in a movie. This one here. And here we have some Valery white rufus. I don't know what it is. There's some up there. So down here we have the Dasypodidae. This animal here. It's even my first time to see it. And we have another kangaroo here. This is the kangaroo right here, and this side is the puma. This is the puma. The puma is right here, and coming to this side we have a crocodile. There is a crocodile here and some skin of animals up there. The head of a albino bear's gate right there. And this side we have a chacal. You see, this animal is hunting, and it has hunted on this small animal here. I don't know the name of it. This is the Gaziantep, and in this side we have Panthera leo. This animal really looks big, and there's another animal this side called Dama. This is it right here. So coming to this side we have some skeletons here, and I don't know which animal they are. And this is the skeleton of kangaroo. This skeleton is for a kangaroo right here, and this is the skeleton of a gazelle. This is a gazelle's skeleton, and up here we have another skeleton, but I don't know for which animal it is. This one here, and down here we have the skeleton for Panthera tigris. This is the Panthera tigris. The skeleton of it is right here. Coming to this side, some more of them. Some animals, the halflinger and the iguana. This type of lizard here called iguana, and the crocodile, the gazelle, crocodile hunting a gazelle right here, and this is the lutra here. On this side we have some ovis. This is the ovis, and I don't know this one whether it's a goat. I think this is a goat. The small one here is a goat. Coming to this side we have some this is Eurasian, whatever, it's hunting a chicken. It has actually hunted a chicken right here. And this one here is a Valabi white rufous. This is it. There is another animal here which I actually don't know, and this is the Viveridae right here, just down here. And there we have the hyena. This is the hyena. This is the hyena, and this is another iguana right here. And coming to this side, we have some vulpes. This is the vulpes. The two animals, I don't know whether they are fighting or playing right here. And here we have the panthera. This is the panthera. This is the panthera right here. And this is the Panthera leo. This is Panthera tigris, and this is Panthera leo. The small one down here is a Panthera leo. And coming to this side is the zebra. Actually, this is the zebra right here. And let's keep on moving to the other sides, and we see what they are having inside here. So these are some of the animals here. You understand? There are some vulpes. These are the zebra, cutlass. This is cutlass, a goose, and this one here is Martha's faina. You see, the snake is hunting this one. Okay, and let's move on and see the other ones. So these are there. There are a lot of different small animals here. So let's just keep on There's a skeleton here, and this skeleton is for, that is Dama Dama, same thing that we have seen behind there. And there is a big snake right here. I don't know which snake it is, and the eagle is hunting it right there. And here is also another eagle hunting a chicken. And this side also, there are some birds right there. And that is it. There is an owl here. This is an owl. And these are eagles. Some of them must lay their eggs over there. And here we are having some birds. There is the duck up, some chicken and all these things there. So that is it. This idea is actually just for birds. It's not for animals, because I'm not seeing any animal here. I'm just seeing the birds only. And that is it. And this side here, they have some different animals that I even don't know. This is called Calinectus sapidus. And this is some of them. I don't know this one here. It's called Tetraodon nigroviridus. And this one here is called Asteroidi. And there is a Kuplambai here. This big one. These are actually the animals that lives in the sea. In the sea and ocean. So that is it. Because I'm seeing some octopus, some starfish, and these big fish here. All of them are just the animals living in the ocean and sea. That is it. Some snails. So that is it. Let's go to the next. This side here we are having some birds like the Calonectris dio media, and a lot of birds here right here. So these are the birds they are having here. And here is the big bird, but I don't know the name of it. So these are the birds. They are right here. And this one is the Tadorna. This one's here. This is the saloon. The saloon is right here. This is the saloon. On these sides, these are some of them. I don't know the name of this bird actually. On this side here, we have the Columba livia right here, and in this side we have some Anas clypeata, and this is the Tadarna ferruginea. This is it right here. There is a tree here and some birds up here. This one's here has some big eggs right here, and there are a lot of different bird species here, you understand? So some of them are laying eggs, like this one here, the Phazianus colchicus, and this is the Balearica pavonina. This is it. It's the bird right here. And in this side here we have these birds here called the Cygnus albus. And coming up to this side we have some birds here also. This is the Anas strepera. And this one too. That is it. There's the bird here. And let's keep on moving to the next ones. these ones. It's another one right here. It's called Cygnus atratus, and some of them right here. These ones. There are a lot of birds here which I have actually not seen before. I like this one here. It is a Twida styler. And this one's right up here. All these birds, I've never seen them before. This one's right here. Let's keep on as we look at them in the museum here. So that is it. There's some birds here. There are some small birds down here. This one's I don't know them also. They are called Caturnix. This one here are called Tringa. Erythropas. This some of them up here. And this one's too. These are the, and in this side here they have some sculptures right here. This is actually the sculpture for that is an elephant and some tigers and bear right over there. So this is it right here inside the Zoology and Nature Museum, right inside the Gaziantep Zoo here. So from this side here also you can see it right there. These are the things, the elephant sculpture, and this is the lion, and this is actually tiger and the bear. So this side here is also there's some animals here. This is the Panthera tigris, and there is a giraffe right over here. So this is it here inside the Zoology and Nature Museum, right inside Gaziantep Zoo here. And also in this side here they have some sculptures right down here, and this one here I don't know which animal is it? It's called the Ogon. Right here. So I guess I've showed you guys everything that you have to see right inside here about this Zoology and Nature's Museum right inside the Gaziantep Zoo here. And now we're done with it actually, and let's go and to other places outside here, things to do with the Zoology and that is Nature's Museum. We have completed it now. Let's go.